Okay, good morning guys. We're out here doing a repair on an outdoor spigot on a mobile home. It is Quest plumbing underneath, and so I talked to the homeowner and he would rather just have this capped than a new spigot put in. So what we're going to do is we're going to go underneath, shut the water off, come out, drain this out, and then we will work on that Quest plumbing, and I'll show you guys that. Okay guys, so we got that drained out. There's a little bit of play there. This is, like I said, Quest plumbing. So those of you that don't know anything about Quest was pretty popular in the mid 70s to late 90s, especially in mobile homes. It was kind of a cheaper alternative to a lot of the other materials. The downside is that it actually ended up degrading over time. Things like chlorine actually degrade it from the inside out. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a cap on this, and I will go over that with you guys here in just a minute. Okay guys, so we got the Quest cut. It's draining out the rest of the way. The way I cut it, I measured back so that way when I put the cap on, if he ever wanted to add a spigot back in, he could just come down here, take the cap off, and put a new spigot in, a push to connect or a crimp style spigot. But we're gonna go ahead and head out, get that cap prepped and get it put on this Quest plumbing here. Okay, so this is what I have here for his cap. It's a 1/2-inch brass cap. It's been stuck on there with the PEX clamps. And then I have a polybutylene adapter. Polybutylene is Quest plumbing. It's going to have to be this. That's the only stuff that SharkBite makes that can go to the Quest plumbing. So that's what I've got. We're just going to go slide that on, turn the water back on, make sure we got no leaks. Okay, so we are connected. Water's back on. And I will just get this strapped up and continue watching it, but it doesn't appear that we have any leaks. That is how I capped this water line. Pretty easy. And then, like I said, I left them enough that should he ever want to put a 8-inch or a 10-inch push to connect or crimp spigot back in, he can. So that's there for him. For now, he just wanted it capped as the cheapest option for him. So that's today's video. Thanks for watching, guys.